So many exercise I have already completed. Okay, now some exercises are left, so today I will complete those exercise also. Okay, so now question number 4 is state the main difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. So when I was explaining you chapter, that time only I explained you this one or not? Hello. Yes. Yes, because you have already written, so no need to write. I wrote there, explained earlier. Okay. Next one is sketch the reproductive parts of flower. So what are the reproductive part of flower? Stamen and pistil. So their diagram, yes, their diagram also you have made earlier only. Correct or not? Yes, these diagram. Correct. So, so no need to make again. So made diagram earlier I wrote. Next one is write the explain the difference between self pollination and cross pollination. Question number 6. So just see here, already I have explained, further I wrote here. Okay, so as such you write. Okay, so difference between self pollination and cross pollination. So just try to understand. Self pollination means pollen grains are transferred from anther to stigma of the same flower. Same flower. Okay, means when it will be possible, when flower is bisexual. If male reproductive part and female reproductive part both are there, then only self pollination will be there. Okay, it is happening within the same flower. So how it can be happened? It can be happened when flower contains both part, male reproductive part and female reproductive part. Am I correct or not? Yes. So pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma of the same flower. And second one is it takes place in bisexual flower. What about cross pollination? Pollen grains are transferred from anther of one flower to stigma of another flower of same plant, or another flower of different plant of same kind. Did you understand this one? This is bit means difficult to understand this one. Just see, in cross pollination what is happening? Pollen grains are transferred from anther of one flower to stigma of another flower. Okay, means it is not happening in the same flower, it is happening between two flower on same plant, or another flower of different plant of same kind. Means kind of plant should be same. Means mango pollen grain can pollinate another flower of mango only, it cannot pollinate rose, it cannot pollinate other plant. Have you got it or not? But cross pollination takes place between two flower. Okay, self pollination takes place within the flower. Am I correct or not? Cross pollination takes place between two flowers on the same plant, or different plants of same kind, or different flowers of same plant, or different flowers of different plant of same kind. Okay, did you get this or not? Huh? Both are taking place. If it is bisexual flower, then self pollination will take place. If it is unisexual flower, then mostly cross pollination will take place. It depends upon types of flower. So cross pollination takes place in unisexual as well as bisexual flower. It takes place in both kind of flowers. Okay, correct. If pollen is coming from another flower, let the recipient flower be bisexual, but pollen which is coming from another flower, that can also pollinate. If it is unisexual, then also it can pollinate in case of cross pollination. Have you got it or not? Okay, Have you written this one? Okay. So now just see here. It is not a question number 7. Okay. Question number 7 is, how does the process of fertilization takes place? Just a minute. Just a minute. I will apply now color mic. Before explaining the question number 7, just you write down this thing. Okay. Just a minute. Just just a minute. Okay. Am I audible and visible? Hello. Am I audible and visible? Okay. Just see. Question number 7. This is question number 7 here. This one also I have explained earlier. Just see. What is the question? Now I have removed the color mic. You can speak. Okay. Question number 7 is, how does the process of fertilization takes place in flower? Okay. So when I explained you sexual reproduction, at that time only I have explained. Same answer should be written and this diagram should also be made. This diagram. Okay. Are you getting my point or not? Yes. Because in sexual reproduction, fertilization is the part. Okay. So now same answer would be there. Only the thing is, there in terms of fertilization you have to explain, means in terms of sexual reproduction you have to explain, here in terms of fertilization. Okay. Did you get my same answer? Same answer. They, why in question number 3rd, why I have explained in detail, because they are telling explain what you understand by sexual reproduction. So they have asked explanation. That is why I have explained in detail. And here actually just see, in question number 3rd, even if you will not make diagram, then okay. But in question number 7, diagram is must. Are you getting my point or not? Yes. Question number 3rd, just you write the explanation. Don't make the diagram. But in question number 7, diagram must be there. Okay. Have you got it? Yes. And now just see. When I explain you causes of seed dispersal, causes of or need of seed dispersal. So I told you two reasons only. Two reasons. Avoid competition for sunlight, water, minerals and nutrients and invade new habitats. Now one word I did not explain. What was that? Avoid overcrowding. So please add this reason also in causes of seed dispersal or need of seed dispersal. Then I will explain the last question. Last question is, describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. Okay. Are you getting my point or not? Hello. Yes. Huh? So far I have not explained question number 8. Don't worry. Whatever now in the box I wrote na causes of seed dispersal. So why I wrote in the box? Because when I was explaining the chapter, at that time I told only two reasons of causes of seed dispersal. Now please add one more, that is avoiding overcrowding. Okay. It is related. It is not a question. Just you just Yes, you should add this one. Just check back your notebook. Their causes of seed dispersal have you written or not? So only two reasons you have written. You have written two reasons. Am I correct or not? Please add third one also. Means first one here. Avoid overcrowding. Avoid overcrowding. Okay. Let me in. Somebody is in lobby. Okay. So over this one, Can I delete now and go for the question number 8? Describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. Okay. Okay. So I am going to delete now and will apply the collar mic. Okay. Yes. Please keep on indicating whether I am audible or not, and don't shout. Okay. So question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, just a minute. Question number 8. Answer. The various the ways of ways of seed dispersal are as follows. Number 1, by wind. Just a minute. Just a minute. By wind. By wind. Seeds which are wing wing will be dispersed by it. Example, drumstick and maple. Drumstick and maple. Second one, by water. By water. Spongy seeds. Okay. Am I audible and visible? Hello. Am I audible and visible? Okay. Seeds which are spongy. Seeds which are spongy and fibrous will be dispersed by water. Example, coconut seed. Coconut. They have floating ability. Floating ability. Yes. Next one is by animals. Seeds which are spiny and hooked will be dispersed by animals, because with the help of their spines and hook, they will stick to the body of animals. Animals. Example. Examples. Xanthum. Xanthum and Urena. Urena. Okay. Fourth one way is also there. By bursting. By bursting. Some seeds are dispersed. Seeds which are dispersed. Seeds which are dispersed by sudden jerk. Dispersed by sudden jerks. Like castor, and balsam. Castor and balsam. Okay. Okay. In this way, the question number 8 is also over. Okay. Yes. Hello. Yes. Please speak. Okay. Just see. I will correct the spelling. Don't worry. B. Yes. BUR. Just a minute. Yes. Now it is correct. Okay. Yes. So in this way, all the exercises of this chapter is completely completed. Am I correct or not? Yes. Now, if you have got any doubt related with this chapter, you can ask. Because today I will not start the chapter number 13. So, whatever available time is there, you can utilize it by clarifying your doubt. Yes. Coconut, actually, that is the spelling mistake. Coconut. Fibrous, fibrous and spongy seed. Coconut. Okay. Yes. Okay. Correct now? Yes. Because they have got the floating ability. Now, seeds which are spongy and fibrous will be dispersed by water. Example, coconut, they have floating ability. Yes. Yes. They are not heavy, their density is less than water. That is why they float over water. Simple. Their density is less than water. Yes, simple. Yes. Yes. Ask Aryan. Always welcome. Yes. I did not understand your question. Aryan, once again repeat. Just, just yes, yes, very good, Spurti. Listen, Aryan, what is their sexual reproduction is a natural process. Okay, human intervention is not needed, even if it is needed up to very less extent. While in case of asexual reproduction, just see, everywhere manpower is required. Okay, time is required, hard work is required, like cutting. You should cut, you should plant. Even just see, if plants are grown by scars, then you have to plant them in soil, then only they will grow. Everywhere, just see, bryophyllum leaves are there. So one leaves you have to transfer from one place to another place, then only in new place that plant will grow. So human intervention is very much required in asexual reproduction, while in sexual reproduction, this is a natural process. Just see, wind will be there, of course, insects will be there. They will only carry the pollen grains from one flower to another flower. Even unknowingly, we are also scattering the seed, or we are also helping in the sexual reproduction. Suppose one pollen grains is there and we are walking in the garden. Okay, so some pollen grains may stick to our body, and suppose we reach to another place and give jerk to our body, so same pollen grains may fall in that area where that flower may be there. So unknowingly we are also helping in the pollination, unknowingly. Now our work is to walk in the garden, but unknowingly we are doing that work also. We are the carrier of pollen grains. Hello, understood, Aryan? Anybody else has got any doubt? Hello. Some white color from the flower. Listen here. Sometime what is there? If see, actually flower has got four parts. In your book, basically they have discussed two parts. What is that one? Stamen and pistil. Okay. Now try to understand. Two more parts are there. Calyx and corolla. You will study in higher class. Calyx and corolla. So just see, they are very attractive. They are very attractive. But when the flower become old, these parts fallen off the flower, and sometimes they shrink, means, and their size reduced to millimeter, and they become very lighter, because under the sun rays they become dry, and they only fly over the flowers. Means these are the fallen off part of flower. They may be insects also. Hmm. Huh? They wind dispersal of what? Seed. Means here our heading is seed dispersal. If seed is dispersed by wind, then we can say wind dispersal. Do you think that seed is only dispersed by wind? There are so many things which are dispersed by wind. Spores are also dispersed. Virus, bacteria, they are also dispersed. Okay. That is why in corona pandemic, what is there? mask is jaruri. Why? So that because when we sneeze, whatever virus are there, coronavirus, that goes to air, and from one place to another place it disperses. Am I correct? This is only called communicable disease. Communicable disease, which can be transmitted from one place to another place. Okay? Yes. 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 That you will study all those terminology in higher class. Just you concentrate on stamen and pistil. Now there are so many terms: calyx, corolla, carpel. So many terms are there. Now this is the simple flower. One typical flower study they have given. Now variety of flowers are there, and with so many variations, which you will study in higher class. Hello. Tissue culture, actually this is a technology, technique. Okay. What is this one? Technique. To yes, that is why what I am telling you, technique. Okay. This is artificial techniques. Okay. To grow the number of means virus, bacteria, or any other thing. Of course tissue culture will come under this one, but actually this is not a process, it is a technique. Okay. And what is our heading? What is the Spurti? What is the heading of our chapter? Reproduction in plant. So, as far as the reproduction in plant is concerned, that will not, means a tissue culture will not come under that. Okay. Tissue culture is applied basically to study any particular virus, bacteria. Okay. Tissue culture can be done in the plant also, but in different sense. Okay, to grow the cells, to multiply the cells. Yes. Anybody else? Only 2 3 fellow are asking question, nobody else is asking. Let me check how many are there. Right. Krishna Jha, your sound is not clear. First you be in network area. Holiday homework. Yes, holiday homework is number one. You should complete all your notebook. You should revise. You should revise all the chapters. And the soon after reopening, I may conduct the test for these 3 chapters. Hello, I am not getting what is your question. Sound is not clear. Yes, in some just listen here. Just see, in some seed during the fertilization, embryo is the actually embryo. Have you heard? Na, embryo is the part of flower which carry the nutrients. So try to understand. Embryo will only not contain the seed. Okay, because inside the embryo only seeds are there, they are getting this one. So during the fertilization, that they will develop such kind of things that a seed will not develop. Actually this is also new technology only. Seed will not develop, seed will be eaten up by the embryo only. Hello. Yes, basically only fruits pulp will be there, seed will not be there. Now another technique is there, like crafting is there, cutting is there, another technique is there. They can be grown, only the thing is in their fruits, seed will not be there. How papaya? Papaya is an example of unisexual flower. Your sound is not clear. What? Your voice is not coming. Ask. How? No, your voice is not clear, beta. I could not hear. Yes. Ask. Actually, I am not getting what you are asking because your sound is not clear. Still, your voice is not clear. If somebody is listening, please put forth on behalf of him. Spurti, your voice is also not clear. Now, voice is not clear. Voice is not clear. Okay, you just send in my WhatsApp. I will now time is going to up. So I will answer this one in my WhatsApp. Okay, group. Okay. Yes.